I have a Ryobi 760 CFM backpack blower. The starter cord won't pull. I removed TH cover and it pulls okay. I turned the part that connects to the cord and it turns only 180, not completely around.
When did you last clean or perform maintenance on your Ryobi tool or machine? How old is it?
Purchased 2 months ago and worked fine. Was going to use it today and can't pull the cord.
How long has this been going on with your Ryobi? What have you tried so far?
Just today.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I remove the cover and cord pulls fine. The part connected to it turns to the right and left but not 360.
Hi. I will be glad to try to help you. I am sorry that you are having this issue. I will give you an initial answer and then we may need to discuss this further if the information I gave you does not completely solve your issue. Feel free to contact me here at this post if you need further information. It would also be nice for you to let me know how things worked out. I am sorry to say that most likely the problem is that you have a blown engine. First, remove the spark plug and try pulling the rope to see if it spins. The cylinder might be full of fuel and the liquid is not letting the piston move. This is called hydrolock. Next, remove the starter and try turning the flywheel by half and see if it will turn all the way. If neither of these things will let the engine spin, then I am 95% sure that you have broken parts inside the engine. If this is the case, then it is time to buy a new blower, as to repair it would be too expensive. If you want to make sure, you should take it to a good small engine repair shop and ask them to check it out for you and let you know what they find. Make sure that they know that you only want them to let you know for sure what is wrong with IT. So they do not fix IT and give you a super high bill. Ask them in advance what the inspection fee is going to be so you will know if you want to pay them to inspect it for you. I hope this information helps. Feel free to contact me here at this post if you would like to discuss this issue further. Thank you. Please do that for me. Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.